Hello and welcome everyone. This is your friend Himal Dangal. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a clipping mask or how to fit an image inside a shape in Photoshop. And also I'm going to show you how to fit image inside a text just like it is shown here in the Photoshop. So let's get started. At first, I'm going to create a new document. Okay, just like this. And after that, I'm going to take a shape, and my shape is here. So this is the shape where I'm going to fit my image. Let me resize it. Okay, here it is. And okay, now this is the image which I'm going to clip inside the shape. So I'm going to select it and again copy it here. So again, let me resize it to favorable size, and after that I'm going to place that image just above the this shape. Let's rename it as shape, and this as image. So okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on this image layer, and after that I'm going to click on create clipping mask. So here it is. Clipping mask is successfully created. Now I can just adjust the image um, just like this, and I'm going to select this spot and I'm going to again make it a bit bigger. Okay, so here it is. In this way you can clip a image inside a shape or fit a image into a favorable shape. So now I'm going to do the same thing with the text. So at first what I'm going to do is um, create a new text and choose your favorable font from here. So okay, let me just write creating um, clipping mask. So creating clipping mask, this is the text. So I'm going to insert this same image with inside the text. So for that, what I'm going to do is just copy this image, creating the duplicate layer. um, so here it is, and again what I'm going to do is put this text just under that image copy, and I'm going to again right click on this image and create clipping mask. So here it is. Now I'm going to adjust that image position. So this is the actual position of the image. Now I'm going to just drag it down to the portion of the text just like this. So you can see this here. Now we have successfully clipped that image inside the text. So in this way you can clip an image inside the text and the shape. So hey guys, thanks for watching. I'll make such video. If you like, share and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day.